Hello and welcome my friend, and next I will show that how you can replace this Volvo's dashboard. And firstly I have to pull out this outer cover. This is easy to remove in that way, and after that I need this special tool what is TX20. TX20, it is that looks this tool head, and it fits in these side areas, in like in here, that area, in this side area, and in up area in here, and also in these side areas here and in here. And let's open this screw. Okay, and really if I have a little bit longer extension, I can install the tool in here, in this position, in that way. And then I use electric driver or spanner. And now this first screw opens, then a little bit up in here. And now that screw opens, and then we go this another side. We have two screws on this side. Now it opens, and there is also one screw in this side, but it is not important. And in here down area we have one left in this down area. And let's look at it. Is a little bit difficult position. I take my tool, and now I manage to install that in here in this position, and then a little bit good. And now this screw is in our hand, and we can see that what it looks like. It looks like that. And four of these dog's head screws are like that one. And now when I have taken these screws away, I can move this my dash in here away, and there are in this back area there are cables, and let's take those away. Okay, and I have to really rotate this my dash in this position, that I can look this connector, that connector in here, and when I press this side area in that way, now this dash and matrix opens, and there is really this connector point, and here we can see this connector, what I need to press in this side area in that way. Okay, good. Okay, and now we look in this back area, and there are those bulbs what we can replace if they are broken.